Hello everyone. Welcome to Simplify Studies. In today's module, we are going to study about articles. Well, articles are special words like an, and the, which are used before nouns and noun phrases. A and an are called the indefinite articles because they indicate any person, animal, or thing in a general way. For example, a tiger, an old tiger, an ostrich, a baby ostrich. We use the indefinite article a and an before nouns in sentences when we are referring to them for the first time. For example, there is a mango tree near our house. Or, is that an antelope? Articles are also used when we refer to a member of a class of things. For example, a snake hisses or an ostrich can run very fast. We also use articles in exclamatory sentences before adjective plus singular countable nouns. For example, what a lovely dress, or what an awesome place. Yes, we also use articles when we talk about one's profession or what someone does. For example, my mother is an editor, or I am a student. We can also use articles when we mean one thing, only one. For example, do you have a tea bag? Or I will have an omelette. Here, with the sentence, you can understand that I am asking for one tea bag or one omelette. In short, we use article a when we are referring singular countable nouns or noun phrases with consonant sounds. For example, a ball, a hut, a calf, a university, a one-eyed man, a usual practice. Though university starts with U vowel, but it sounds yo, or you read it as yo, university. Same is the case with one-eyed man. O in one is pronounced as W in one. So, a consonant sound. Same is the case with usual practice. Okay, though it starts with a vowel, but the sound is of yo. The article an is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with vowel sound. For example, an engine, an onion, an umbrella, an hour, an honest chap, or an honor. Though our, honest chap, honor, all these three words they begin with H, but H is silent in it. So we will add an R in front of HOUR. We will add an in front of honest, and we will add an in front of honor. That is HONOUR. Let us see few more examples. The first sentence says dash noble master and dash honest servant. So the answer will be a noble master and an honest servant. As H is silent in honest, so we will add and we will go by the sound. Next sentence says dash 1 rupee note and dash 50 paisa coin. So it will be a 1 rupee note and a 50 paisa coin. This is because 1, the sound is of W. 1 sounds in O, you don't say on, okay, you say 1. So that's why I have used a in front of a 1 rupee note. Next sentence says dash European artist and dash Indian engineer. So, we will add a European artist and an Indian engineer. Why have I added a in front of European? Because we get the sound is of yo. Following a few more examples, please go through it. Now, let us move on to the third special word, and that is the. The is called the definite article because it indicates a particular person, animal, or thing. We use the when we speak of a particular thing or something that has already been mentioned. For example, there is a tree near my house. The tree bears mangoes. But we do not use the before uncountable nouns, proper nouns, and abstract nouns when we are talking in general. For example, I like listening to music. Music is uncountable noun. My cousin lives in Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. Greed is the root of all evil. Evil is an abstract noun, so we will not use the in front of these words. But there are few exceptions. We use the before uncountable nouns that have been made particular or specific. For example, I don't like the music they are playing. The water dripping from the roof has made the room wet. Here, the music means the specific music. The water dripping from the roof. From where? From the roof. So, here also water is specific from the roof. I hope I am clear. Now, we use the before things that are only one of their kind. For example, the earth moves around the sun. Or, Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Next, we use the before superlatives. For example, Mihir is the tallest boy in the class. Or, Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Children, we also use the before names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings, and newspapers. For example, the Nile is the longest river and the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. Second example, the Titanic sank on 15th April 1912. Titanic, all of you know, was a ship. Next, the Times of India is my favorite newspaper. Or we can say the Shatabdi Express is a super fast train. That's all for today. Children, don't miss the quiz which is given in the description box. The link is given in the description box. Please do play the quiz. And at last, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to click the subscribe button to get my latest grammar lessons. Happy learning. Have a good day.